Introducing the JXD1 102xNL series from YAGEO Group, a low-profile, mid-mount PulseJack ICM designed for height-restricted industrial Ethernet applications. This single-port RJ45 connector integrates magnetics to support 10/100 base T and 1 gigabit Ethernet, industrial protocols like EtherCAT, and operates from -40 to +85 degrees Celsius. With a mid-mount THR design, it sits less than 9.65 mm above the PCB and supports 245-degree IR reflow, eliminating secondary solder processes. Ideal for industrial switches, embedded computing, automation equipment, and compact security systems. The JXD1 102xNL series, low profile, high reliability, and built for industrial realities. Discover more at YAGEOgroup.com. YAGEO Group, built into tomorrow.